Good morning, guys. A little chilly out here, hitting you with that morning motivation. And, my word to you is be a kid. Be a kid today. And to help with that message, I brought out, an expert at being a kid. What's going on, girl? Can you tell us the secrets on just how to be a kid? How can we be kids today? What do we need to do?
You need to have fun?
Have fun? Okay, is that the secret to being a kid?
No.
She says no. Having fun is not the secret. So what is the secret to being a kid? See, she doesn't even know. And maybe that's the problem with this world. Maybe that's where I felt. Even my kid doesn't know how to be a kid. But in all honesty, we're just kidding around. I'm watching her now. She's jumping on the trampoline. She knows how to be a kid. You just go out and you live freely, You may not know how to answer every question that's thrown at you. Life's going to throw some stuff at you. Going to catch you off guard, And she was probably thinking there was a right answer to that. And she didn't want to get it wrong. Well, sometimes there is no right answer. The answer is, what are you thinking right now? What is your opinion on the matter? Your ideas are awesome. And that's what being a kid's all about. Just being awesome. Go out there, be amazing today, and just share some ideas, share some thoughts, jump around. Here come more kids. That's life. What are you guys gonna do? Y'all jumping too? Yeah, come here. What's that on your face? Come here. Check this out. Dress up today. Dress up today. Be a kid. You can be a cat. You know what I mean? You can do amazing things. You can be a dog. You can be a transformer. Turn into a truck and just drive off. Be a dinosaur. Use your imagination. Do some pantomime. Have fun. Have fun. I know life can be heavy, and it will be heavy today. We have to pay the bills. We have to build these relationships. We have to keep the home together. It's hard right now. How can I play in such serious times? And I know, but if we don't create time to just imagine and create that freedom, we'll forever be slaves. And I know you can do this because even the slaves could do this. And that was the secret to their freedom. And a prisoner knows this because they tell it in their tales and their testimony of the mind, of how even when the body is in bondage, the mind can find a way to be free. And to truly capture a man, you have to capture his mind. So please, free yourselves. The financial burdens are heavy. The socio-emotional just weight is a lot. But make the time to have fun and be a kid, at least in your mind today. You can be anything. Right now, I'm gonna be a bird. Love someone today. Thank you for subscribing to the page. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Mark Drew Speaks at Instagram. I'm taking off. Woo!